Introducing the advanced 6-nozzle water bottle filling machine by Crown Industries. Designed for hygienic, efficient, and high-performance bottle filling. Process begins with a 2-nozzle bottle rinsing system, where empty bottles are rinsed before filling. This ensures better cleanliness and prepares the bottles for safe and hygienic packaging. After rinsing, the bottles are placed under the 6 filling nozzles. Once aligned, the machine starts the filling cycle, allowing 6 bottles to be filled simultaneously. For faster production and improved efficiency, the multi-nozzle filling system delivers smooth and controlled water flow, ensuring accurate filling levels with minimal wastage when the required quantity is reached. The filling automatically stops, providing consistent and uniform output in every bottle. The filled bottles then move to the 2-head capping system. Here, 2 bottles are capped simultaneously, ensuring secure and tight sealing for leak-proof packaging and faster production handling. With integrated rinsing, filling, and capping operations, this machine delivers a complete and reliable solution for drinking water bottle packaging.